Hello, my name is Michael Park, and this time we'll discuss about socioeconomic determinants approach. So socioeconomic determinants approach tries to find out what kinds of socioeconomic determinants influence outcome of something. Determinants can include something like race, ethnicity, socioeconomic status, and so on. And for instance, SDOH, socioeconomic determinants of health, explains that socioeconomic factors affect our health. Questions: can we find other examples in other fields too? How this approach can be applied to another framework like DPSIR? What is the difference between mitigation and adaptation measures? So my current answer is that when I searched socioeconomic determinants approaches, there are other topics that are applied, like smoking, depression, nutrition, and etc. Second question, DPSIR tries to find out what are the root cause of environmental problems. It is an abbreviation of driver, pressure, state, impact, and response. All about mitigation and adaptation measures. Mitigation approach tries to find out the root cause, like DPSIR, driver, while adaptation approach attempts to adapt themselves into new environment, like impact, like I in DPSIR. For instance, when it comes to climate change, you can either mitigate the root cause that gives impact to climate change, or we just can adapt ourselves and find solutions there and to new environment. So these are the difference. This is the difference between mitigation and adaptation measures. Thank you, and see you again in the next time. Bye.